It's hard to hold this camera still.
Well, it is a dirt road.
All right, y'all, we're on Trammell Road.
Right.
And we're looking for a bridge that's been closed. We just want to come out here and see the bridge and film it. And then we will turn around and head back out the same way we come in. Because I don't think there's anything back. I don't think we can go any further than the bridge.
Well, the Trammell Road keeps on going, but you can't cross the bridge.
Well, if you can't cross the bridge, you can't keep on going.
No.
The road can, but we can't.
A little gravelly here.
It's a lot gravelly here. Ah!
Yeah, ain't no way you're going to get this deal.
Yeah, I know. I ain't even going to try. Oh, Trammell, we're in Meriwether County. I'm not exactly sure which town you would call it, but we're in Meriwether County. We're close to Pine Mountain.
And I think we're coming up on the
I
bridge.
think we are. I see no barricade on this bridge over here at all. Do you think they have already replaced this bridge? Nothing looks new though.
No, it don't look new.
You think they just fixed it maybe?
I guess.
Well, they've worked out here. You see the straw on each side?
Yeah.
They've worked out here, y'all.
I'm going to assume it's safe to.
I'm gonna more than assume. I'm gonna say it's fine. Ain't no reason not to cross this bridge. Let's see what we're crossing. Oh, there is a pretty little creek down there. Well, all right. Okay, so we came to this, come looking for a bridge. It was closed. But y'all, as we come over,
It's been open.
as we come over here, y'all can look down here at all the straw that's been put out, because this is how they cleaned it all up to make it look fresh and good again. So that was the first adventure, and it didn't quite pan out the way I expected. However,
It's the same bridge, though.
that's all right. It's still
It's an open bridge.
it's just an open bridge now.
It's Tim and Tammy time. And today, we're riding around Pine Mountain. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And
We love y'all. Just tell me what you thought of your food.
I liked it. It was good.
Tell me what you got.
I got the fried chicken, and black-eyed peas, and macaroni and cheese, and it was all good. Give us a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
Trying to get somewhere where my hair's blowing away from in my eyes and in my face. I'd like to get the mountain behind me though. Can't tell what I'm filming. Anyway, doesn't matter. What did I have?
You had steak.
I had chopped steak with mashed potatoes and gravy and fried green tomatoes. Honest review here. Fried green tomatoes needed a little bit more season. Other than that, it was good. This restaurant, which is a country store and restaurant's what it's called, but we always called it Top of the Mountain when I was growing up. And this was my grandmother's favorite restaurant to come to. I've been here dozens of times with her. She's been gone for 18 years, but we would come up here just to eat. That's Top of the Mountain. Now look what I found on this rock. Now I had never seen anything like this. It's a soldier. And the tag says, "Therefore put on the full armor of God, so that when the day of evil comes, you may be able to stand your ground, and after you have done everything to stand." Ephesians 6:13. I've never seen anything necessarily like that. Just on a rock. And this is the busy little town of Pine Mountain, Georgia. But this right here would be one of my top 10 favorite small towns in Georgia. I just absolutely love it. We got the Emporium, Unique Expressions, the Cat's Meow. Now there is an old sign up top. I think it says Kimbrough Brothers on that blue building. That's the Cat's Meow. And there's a date at the top, but I can't see it from here. Let's go down and film this. This whole building down here is a mural all the way around the building. The Old South Antiques. It's a mural on front. It's a mural on the side.
A mural in a pear tree. A mural in a muscadine tree.
Muscadines are vines, sweetheart.
Well, I can make up.
Yeah, you'd be making it up too. We got a tricycle.
That's what I do. You can rent my thing.
Yeah.
Will they let you?
That's what it says.
Is that what it says?
That's what it says.
E-bikes. Yes, that's it.
Oh, there is a caboose back here too.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, we've walked down through here, but for some reason, some of this has escaped me.
And that beautiful wind chime.
Listen to that. It
Right
is.
up above us.
It is. Directly in this tree right here. What I'm most interested in right here is this Chipley Lodge number 40, chartered 1883. By the Chipley Lodge brothers and Douglas W. McDonald. Look at that door. My goodness, y'all, look at that door. Wow. Now, this is going to be even worse. Okay. This one down here on the ironwork says 1905. Oh my goodness. Look at them doors.
Good shot right here.
Oh my goodness, look at them doors. And the window up above it. This is over yonder on Broad. This is Antiques and Collectibles, y'all.
Yes.
That does say Kimbrough Brothers down there, but I don't know what the word is before Kimbrough.
And this used to be called Chipley.
Yeah, this was Chipley. I've explained that before. They changed it to Pine Mountain for tourist reasons. Which, you know, kind of makes sense, but at the same time, I like Chipley. This is the antique store back here too, and it's got a mural all the way around it. That's just beautiful. And the truck, the old truck, Old South Bazaar. The artist, I'm gonna go closer so you can read it yourself, but I'm gonna put this on the camera. The artist is Annette Wade, and I think she painted this in 2007, and there's her phone number. I like it. Y'all, there's a Coca-Cola bottle back there. Now, across the street, there is a caboose. He got a sign right there, y'all, that says, "Warning, antique pox, extremely contagious to all ages, no known cure." That is so cute. But this is what I wanted to get, because I did see this when we was driving down the road. The Trains of Pine Mountain. And right here it says the name of the town was Hood in 1880. It was Chipley in 1882, and it was changed to Pine Mountain in 1958. I like that mural. I'm in a parking place, I think. Oh, we are having an adventure today. Roll for my... That sky is as beautiful as this mountain.